Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Thursday, June 16th. Stocks on Wall Street are little changed in early trading as investors react to readings on weekly jobless claims and housing starts. 414,000 Americans filed first-time claims for unemployment insurance last week. That was a drop of 16,000 from the upwardly revised number of 2 weeks ago, and a bigger decline than expected. Jobless claims have been trending lower again since spiking as high as 478,000 in April. But the 4-week moving average, a more accurate gauge of employment trends, held steady at just under 425,000. Economists say they would have to stay below 400,000 for an extended period to indicate a healthy labor market. Many experts now say lackluster hiring trends will continue, especially since the May employment report, which showed just 54,000 new jobs created.
The housing market has been an area of particular weakness lately, but we saw some relative strength in another report this morning. Housing starts rose 3.5% last month, recovering a bit from a steep 8.8% decline in April. The reading was better than economists expected, but still well short of March's level. Meanwhile, building permits jumped 8.7% to their highest rate this year. That indicates the housing market may begin to pick up in the coming months. Following the data, investors continued to pile into Treasuries and the U.S. dollar. The yield on the 10-year note is falling further below 3% this morning, and the 2-year note briefly hit 0.3%, its lowest level ever, before recovering a bit.
The relative strength of U.S. Treasuries and the dollar also has a lot to do with the lack of confidence in Europe's ability to deal with its sovereign debt crisis. Eurozone officials still have not agreed on the conditions of a second bailout plan for Greece, and the country is struggling to push through another round of austerity measures as a condition to keep receiving aid from the European Union and the International Monetary Fund. Greece's prime minister reportedly offered to reshuffle his cabinet and form a new government in an effort to win backing for the latest austerity package. He may also seek a vote of confidence from the parliament and dismiss the finance minister, according to the Wall Street Journal. The move comes after a general strike paralyzed the country yesterday, and protesters clashed with police in Athens.
In corporate news, Citigroup said that a security breach last month affected about 360,000 of its credit card customers in North America. That's twice as many Citigroup initially announced. As a result, the company issued new cards to many customers and implemented new security procedures. Shares of Citigroup are down about 1% in early trading. Airline stocks may also be in focus today, after Boeing raised its forecast for the global commercial aircraft market. The company now predicts 33,500 new jets will be needed over the next 20 years, worth about $4 trillion. And we'll finish up with one of the day's big stock winners. Supermarket chain Kroger is jumping 5% after it topped estimates with a 16% rise in profit. Kroger also boosted its earnings guidance for the full year, helping to pull up grocery stocks overall today. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.